Today, we're embarking on a captivating journey through the stunning landscapes, rich culture, and mouth-watering cuisine of a country that's an artwork in itself, Italy. Join me as we explore the beauty of its cities, the charm of its villages, and the treasures that have made Italy a global cultural icon. Get ready to be transported to a land where history, art, and la dolce vita come together. Welcome to our exploration of Italy. Italy's history is a tapestry woven with threads of ancient civilizations. The Colosseum in Rome and the ruins of Pompeii stand as remarkable testaments to the power and grandeur of ancient Rome. Venice, the city of canals, is a floating masterpiece. Its intricate canals, elegant palaces, and rich history create an atmosphere that's truly enchanting. Often referred to as the floating city, Venice is built on a network of 118 small islands connected by over 400 bridges and separated by canals. Its unique layout and intricate waterways make it a city unlike any other, where gondolas and boats are the primary mode of transportation. The rolling hills of Tuscany are a canvas of vineyards, olive groves, and charming villages. This region's beauty has inspired artists and poets for centuries. Tuscany is the birthplace of the Italian Renaissance. This region was home to influential figures like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Galileo Galilei, who played pivotal roles in shaping art, science, and culture during this transformative period in history. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is not just a marvel of architecture, it's a symbol of Italy's whimsical spirit. This iconic structure captures the world's imagination with its unique tilt. Italian cuisine is a love affair with flavor. From fresh pasta to pizzas straight from wood-fired ovens, every bite is a celebration of simplicity and quality ingredients. The Amalfi Coast's dramatic cliffs, pastel-hued villages, and turquoise waters have made it a destination of dreams. Its beauty is a testament to the harmonious union of nature and human creativity. Italy's cities are living history books. The medieval charm of Siena, the elegant architecture of Milan, and the cultural richness of Florence offer glimpses into various epochs. And there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating world of Italy. From its artistic masterpieces to its culinary delights, Italy's allure is undeniable. As we celebrate its beauty and cultural richness, let's remember that Italy's legacy is a gift that keeps on giving, inspiring and enchanting all who have the privilege to experience it. If you were entranced by Italy's splendor, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of global explorers. Until next time.